Solving a system of linear equations using elimination with addition. Solve the following system of equations. 4x plus 5y equals 10, and 8x plus 5y equals 30. Now, in order to solve a system using elimination, I need to decide whether I'm going to try to eliminate the x variable or the y variable. Right away, I can see that the y variable, both of them in each equation have the coefficient of 5, which makes my job a lot easier. So I'm going to choose to eliminate y. Now, we are going to eliminate by adding the equations. So in order to have, when I add these equations, right now 5y plus 5y is going to be 10y. But if I want them to eliminate, I want them to cancel each other out. So one of these needs to become negative 5y. So 5y plus negative 5y equals 0y. You can choose either equation, but I'm just going to choose the bottom equation. And I'm going to multiply it by a negative 1 all the way through to make that 5y become a negative 5y. So I'm just going to rewrite my system. My top equation I haven't changed. But my bottom equation, I'm going to distribute this negative 1, becomes negative 8x minus 5y equals negative 30. Now, they both have the coefficient of 5, but one is negative and one is positive, exactly how I want it. So I'm going to add these equations. So I have 4x plus a negative 8x, which is negative 4x. And I have a 5y plus a negative 5y, which is 0y, or they cancel out. And I have 10 plus a negative 30, which is negative 20. I've eliminated my y variable, so now all I have left is x. I just need to solve for x. So I divide both sides by negative 4. X equals negative 20 divided by negative 4 is positive 5. But I'm not finished yet, because I need, in order to have a solution to a system, I need two pieces, an x value and a y value. So I found my x value to be 5, but now I need to take this 5 and plug it back into one of my original equations in order to find this y value. So I'm going to use my first equation just because it looks a little bit simpler. So 4x, but instead of x, I'm going to put 5 plus 5y equals 10. Now my x variable's gone. All that's left is y, so I just need to solve for y. So 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 plus 5y equals 10. To get the y alone, I'm going to subtract the 20, and 5y equals negative 10. Divide both sides by 5, and y equals negative 2. So my y piece is negative 2. So the solution to this system is 5, negative 2.